This meeting is being recorded.
Hi, everyone. Good Tuesday. Welcome to our Kubernetes 1.25 release meeting. Today, we are at week 11. It's Tuesday burn down meeting on 2nd August. And as usual, this meeting is under the CNCF Code of Conduct, which could be summarized as please be nice and respectful to each other. I have pasted the link to the meeting note on the chat. So please feel free to register your attendees there. And if nobody has any open discussion topic, let's move to the enhancements update. Anyone from enhancement team in the call? If no, I will quickly give an update. Mostly I just said before, we currently have 22 enhancement marked as at risk. It's maybe not as accurate as it is, but it's still a huge number. And we have received 4 exception requests now before code freeze. Our code freeze is in 8 hours, and one of the pull requests has been approved. 2 of them has been rejected, and we are still evaluating the last one. That's the current status, and we will look for more exceptions coming around code freeze or after code freeze. And let's move to CI signal. Arsh, if you are here, or if anyone from CI signal team here. No, let's just quickly checking the report. It seems like we still have 2 filling. Hope that will not block our beta cut this week. But I guess
I'm just looking at master blocking, and there seems no failing right now. Seems not to be a failing right now, but one failing master informing.
Thank you so much. That's a good to know. I'll double check in the CI signal channel after the meeting, and hopefully people will. Yep. Thanks, Leo, for adding the details. That's great. We don't have any failing jobs currently on master blocking. And any question for CI signal? If no, let's move to bug triage. Hussein, if you're here. Hi.
Hey, yes. Since yesterday, we received few new PRs and issues. I just pinged the folks in the team. I'm just going to update the GitHub project board with the new issues and PRs. But currently we are green, nothing serious for the release cut. So we are good at the moment.
Thank you so much. Any questions for bug triage team? If no, let's move to docs team. Kat, if you're here.
Hello. Hi. Oh, wait, there's 2 cats.
Sorry, I'm asking for docs team.
Hi, I'm Docs Cat. The current status of the Docs team is green. The PR from last week has been merged. Another one will be opened either today or tomorrow. We're continuing our outreach with our placeholder deadline for August 4th. So the sheet has been updated, and it's been updated to reflect removed milestones and approved exceptions.
Thank you so much. Any questions for docs team? No, let's move to release notes. Dipto, if you're here.
Hi, so we have contacted all the 6 for the major themes, and some of them have replied in the discussions. We'll be following up with them. And
cool,
we have
that's
green.
Great. Yep, thank you so much. Great to know the major themes goes well. And any questions for release notes? If no, let's move to comms. Cat.
Other cat. It's me this time. So we've only got 4 placeholder PRs outstanding, which is pretty good. And I think we will track down those last 4 in the next 2 days. And anyway, it's not really like catastrophic. If some of them come in a little bit late, they are just placeholder PRs, and it's kind of just for tracking mostly. Got more changes requested to the deprecations and removals blog, some of which I think I am going to shut down because it's feeling like it's getting a little bit nitpicky. It's supposed to mention like API deprecations and major changes, but it's getting to a point where people are requesting every single little tiny conceivable thing be added to it, and the blog is getting very long at this point. But it is still on track to fire on the 4th. I'll make final calls on what gets added and what doesn't after code freeze tonight. So I don't have to go back and edit it afterwards like we did last cycle, but we're all good over here on the comms team.
Thank you. That's great to know. Thank you for the update. Any questions for comms team? No, let's move to release branch management. Veronica, if you're here.
Yes, hello. The code freeze PR was just submitted a few minutes ago by Jeremy, and we will remove the hold at 6 p.m. Pacific time. So yay, that's it.
That's great. Thank you. Any question for release branch management? If no, let's move to EA Ray.
So just one thing for me, just the mid-cycle shadow survey is out. Please complete it by the end of day this Friday. I'll probably close it early Saturday morning. So end of day is very fluid. And then other than that, I've talked before about succession. So we're starting about build out the 126 team, or start to think about building out the 126 team. I'm going to reach out and to role leads independently in the next after code freeze or a day after code freeze. I want to make, I'd like to have some breathing room between code freeze and the next milestone. So just look out for that. And that's it for me.
Thank you so much. And for my update, the major thing, of course, obviously, is the code freeze in 8 hours. And please feel free to join the code freeze party if you're interested. And as I previously mentioned, we received 4 exception requests, and we're still evaluating the last one. If you have any input, feel free to ping us or join the Slack discussion. And let's move to any questions before I move to other area. No, we don't have the scalability update today, and I believe we don't have the board update as well. Just double check. Yeah. Before I end the recording, any questions? No, I will go ahead and end the recording.